Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Dropdash with the Shopify step by step. So this connection is helpful because it lets Dropdash track your Shopify orders, including dispatch and pending orders from one place. So first, sign into your Shopify account and open the admin dashboard. And from the left side menu, scroll down and click settings. And inside the settings page, select apps and sales channels, then click Shopify App Store. So once the App Store opens, use the search bar and type Dropdash, and then select the correct Dropdash app from the search results, then click the install button. And then review the requested permissions and continue with the installation. So keep in mind that Dropdash is mainly available for users in India, so the app may not work in some locations, and after the installation is complete, Dropdash should appear in the app section of your Shopify dashboard. You can then open the app and complete any setup steps shown on the screen. And once it is connected, it can help you monitor orders, check how many have been dispatched, and see which orders are still pending. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.